Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, we are explaining the steps to set up your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender device. To start the setup process, place your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender next to your router. After setup, you can easily change the placement of your extender and connect your Wi-Fi appliances with using wired or wireless connection. You can set up your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender using the TP-Link app. Here you need to download the Tether app on your smartphone. You can download this app from App Store or Google Play Store. Google Play is for Android user and App Store is for iPhone users. After download, simply install the app. Now, open the Tether app and log in with your TP-Link ID. After this, tap the next button and choose your device, which you want to set up. Here, you need to tap on Range Extender option. Follow the instruction and tap Next. Then it will take few seconds to searching your extender and jump into a page, where you need to set a password for your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender. Click Next and connect your extender with the existing Wi-Fi network, which you want to extend. Choose the networks and type the Wi-Fi password for the connection. Here you can also change the SSID of your Wi-Fi extender networks 2.4 and 5 GHz. Then follow the app instructions to complete the setup process. Now, you can place the TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender in an optimal location, where it can covers all the Wi-Fi dead zones of your house. Set up your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender using WPS process. Here, you need to plug the Wi-Fi extender near to your router and power it on. Then press the WPS button on your router and extender for 2 seconds. WPS is a Wi-Fi protected setup, where you can easily connect your extender with Wi-Fi network. It helps to boost the Wi-Fi signal of your existing router network. Wait until the LED light turns solid after pressing the WPS button on your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender. When the light status is solid on, it means your Wi-Fi extender is successfully configured. Now, you need to test the connection by connecting to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Place your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. The location you choose must be within the range of your router Wi-Fi network. To minimize signal interference, please choose a perfect location with no interference of Bluetooth and electronic devices like cordless phones, microwave ovens and baby monitors. If you are facing any trouble to set up your TP-Link AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender device with WPS, Tether app or web browser, then you can reach us. We are always available for your help. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.